In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your FTx POS all-in-one system and complete the initial startup process. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, FTx POS, and check out even more training resources on FTx Academy. Let's get started. First up is the main assembly. You'll notice right away that the setup for your all-in-one system is pretty straightforward. Your main POS unit arrives pre-assembled right out of the box. All you need to do is place it in a secure location, connect the power cable, and get ready to plug in your peripherals. Once you've removed the unit from the packaging, you'll want to locate the available ports. You can access these by sliding off the front cover, which reveals the USB connections, network, and power ports. For devices like your receipt printer, cash drawer, and barcode scanner, you'll route the cables underneath the unit and plug them in from there. Most standard peripherals will work here as long as they are connected using a USB-A connection. But if you are using your own receipt printer, please check in with us at goftx.com and contact our sales team to make sure that we support it. Our FTx POS all-in-one system can be configured with either dual 10-inch customer-facing displays or one 10-inch and one 15-inch customer display. Both configurations include a 15-inch cashier display that can be tilted or rotated to achieve the best viewing angle. The unit you see here also includes an integrated 2D barcode scanner. Both systems feature an integrated biometric reader, also known as a fingerprint scanner. Since these peripherals are powered through USB, there's no separate power cable needed. Just be sure all connections are secure before powering the system on. And that's it! Your FTx POS all-in-one system is now fully assembled, powered on, and ready for configuration. If you're also setting up a smart till or credit card terminal, be sure to check out our other setup videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the FTx POS YouTube channel and visit FTx Academy for even more training resources. Thanks for watching.